In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to feather the edges of an image in Adobe Illustrator. This is a simple technique that can make an image blend more smoothly into your design by softening the hard edges around it. It's especially useful when you want a more polished, subtle look instead of a sharp image border. To begin, open your Adobe Illustrator file and make sure the image you want to edit is already placed in your document. Once your file is open, go ahead and select the image using the selection tool. You can do that by clicking on the image directly or by pressing V on your keyboard to activate the selection tool quickly. Before moving on, make sure the image itself is selected because the feather effect will only apply to the object you currently have active. Next, go to the top toolbar and click on Effect. From the drop-down menu, find Stylize and hover over it to reveal more options. Then choose Feather. As soon as you click it, a small settings panel will appear. This is where you'll control how soft the edges of your image become. In that panel, the first thing you should do is enable Preview. Turning on Preview lets you see the feather effect live on your image before you confirm it. This is very helpful because it allows you to judge the result visually instead of guessing what the settings will look like. If you don't see much change right away, that's normal, especially if the current radius value is low. Now adjust the radius setting. The radius determines how soft and blurred the edges of the image will appear. A smaller radius creates a lighter, more subtle feather, while a larger radius makes the fade more noticeable and gradual. As you change the value, keep an eye on the image and look closely at the outer edges. The goal is to find a setting that looks smooth without making the image feel too faded, unless that's the style you're going for. Take a moment here to fine-tune the effect until it matches your design. Because Preview is turned on, you can easily compare how different radius values affect the overall look. Once you're happy with the softness of the edges, click OK to apply the feather effect. And that's it. You've successfully feathered the edges of an image in Adobe Illustrator. This quick adjustment can make a big difference in how naturally an image fits into your layout. And it's an easy effect to come back to whenever you want a softer, more blended finish.